Yeah, that matters a dog now.
The dog now got trouble.
Come, dog now, bite you.
So me go, so when me go in, and me see say the dog yeah follow me up, you know. So me watch him too, you know. And me see say him follow me up. So me go up in the tree quick. So when me go up in the tree now and pick breadfruit and time to come down, me left me little crepe a breadfruit root. Yeah. So when me come down now and I put on back me little crepe. You know the dog what me feel come bite me pa me body ruddy.
You know me I kill him.
Hey, me say me frightened now way I come be afraid dog too, you know. So you see when him bite me, you run back go back round on one other side, you know. At that time the woman come now I go tell me say ask me if him bite me. If he say,
hey, me say all breadfruit.
Hey, all this little old lady are making dog bite me. Cause I make a dog bite me, you know. You know him go bite me. So just stay at the tree so till me come down then, no, and keep off the dog from me. The woman gone back in her house and left me alone in a tree. So when me come down now and I put on my little crepe now on that tree root, your dog bite me from me bat it up a lot.
You want him down and lick him down.
Me so frightened and I tremble like leak. I'm afraid dog. I know I'm afraid dog too. You know like that. I'm still afraid dog. Yeah man, I know I'm afraid dog, brother. If me see a dog right now, yeah, tell me if you come. No me. Me not going in there with no dog. From your dog in there, no tell me about coming and nowhere. Oh, you know say dog now bite me. Hey, you can't tell say now go bite me, no. Hey, yeah man, you can't tell if him go bite me, man. He will bite me, man. He might not bite you. Cause I fear him.
Yeah, he used to you.
He know you, he not go bite you. But he will bite me, me a stranger come in and yard, he will bite me. Oh, you mean? And you know, you see when him come back and you come bite you.
So them a bite him back.
What do you man?
My friend, you know, me and him and the little boy come from school, you know, Brody. And when they reach on one gate, you know, the dog will run up here and come bite the little boy and jig out in the heel string, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, say, when you go to hospital, the doctor man want to call police.
Yeah, because
and I say, oh, the dog bite the little girl, the little boy.
To the cut when you see no dog bite.
If the man say, no, dog just
yeah,
bite
because
him.
when the doctor look fine, him I look feel like two hole. Two little teeth hole where the dog bite him. But the dog rip him.
The dog rip
the dog bite him and rip him, you know. So it would look like somebody cut it or he get cut some other way.
The mother somebody cut
it. Yeah.
You tell Dr. Carl and Dr. and Dr. Cecilia, the girl tell him Cecilia, they two with her come and the dog run and bite the little boy. Dr. say no dog bite that.
You know look like a
dog bite the little boy.
I have to convince the doctor. Make him believe it's a dog bite him.
You say you want to call police?
Yeah, man. Yeah, the right information you go with. You have to go with the right information because then call police. Anyhow they suspect nothing. Anyhow they suspect nothing funny, then call police and you never know say police are come.
When you look at the police come start questioning.
Yeah, man. I don't think they go on, man. But me believe in that to be true. Because sometimes when something happen to some picnic, and the people, the parents or the person forget charged for it because they're cruel to the picnic. Some people child abuse.
Some people just never want a picnic.
Yeah.
You can't look at your one look a picnic
some
and
people,
dream
some people abuse picnic badly. Abuse picnic physically, verbally, and everywhere. They abuse picnic. So
they little and they have feelings.
It is
as
good.
Little as them be, they have feelings.
It is good when you can have people who care that way about kids. If you don't have people who care, so you know, yeah, my boy, big up no man, big up no man, big up man. If you don't have people who care them weird about picnic, it's like we are gonna have too much things that happen to the youth them like we really are happening even right now because you have a thing where some people you can call it child support, you know. So you can support the child in any form of way if you wish to, you know. Because remember, you know, man, picnic them come be the man and the woman tomorrow, you know. So if we don't protect them from now, you will see a little one on the street and be kind small now, just 4 or 3 year old or 6 or 7. You tell yourself, say, I'm just a kid. But 25 years from now,
not even so much, 10 years from now.
10 years from now, when he becomes adult, you know where he can come be? You know who, you know, in our office you walk in and him you have to go speak to this morning. And him gonna have to come get you arrested one of the morning or something.
And then they go place and then say picnic do with them somewhere, but they mark all the
exactly. They mark you. They mark you, they never forget you. No care how long you hurt him, remember you. And when you know you're dropping a fee man in the office you go. I'm going to recommend you to this job here this morning or anything. You know what I say? So you're not going to work out. Take up back. It no work out.
Some people not think I go rape one little girl now. And
Yeah.
they grow big and grow with the anger there now. I no kind of see how you do it, you know. And so they say crime not done. Because me have to hear where you forget when me get big
Same
now.
way it go. Same way it go. Because you go grow with that in you know. And believe, say, this is somebody, yeah. And him did do me this from me did young, you know. Me remember him, you know, and till me dead, me now forget him, you know. Yeah. So that's the thing, there, man. You have to know all of them things in a life when you grow. And you have picnic around you. As adults, you have to know how to treat picnic, how to deal with picnic. Because picnic, as we say, at them, you have to go speak to tomorrow at one different place. Yeah, around one part, and I see him little girl here where you never rate. Or the little boy where you never rate. And him you have to go call sir this morning in the office. Yeah, you go in the office, you have to go say, sir. Want me, sir? Want me, sir? A morning, miss, you know. And when you look at the little picnic there up at Riverboat,
nice.
or the little picnic from around a wet up a place. Yeah. Don't a hockey walk, I see him little picnic and him, you have to call miss this morning in a office. Yeah. So, yeah, right. So we all have to protect the youth them. Take care of them. No care of where you go and see picnic in any farmer difficult or you want to ride if you go home or you see him want cross the street, you see him want anyway, anything, anyway. You assist man. Yeah.
But you see, Joe, yesterday me come from the road and reach a Bumbro. Me can't get on taxi because me see police them a go around. You see police stop, so me stop the police we can't tell him say, and say, oh, trouble you know? Me say, nobody sir. And say, me look a lift go home.
Yes.
And rain and fall, me can't get a taxi.
Right.
After them pull up them vehicle and put it in their van and protect my bag from me and put it in a bag. Me get
Yeah.
VIP drive.
Yeah man, cause you don't know
Yeah,
what
so you have to pick up the officer them we bring home last night.
definitely. Same way it go, you know.
Say I feel them duty there.
A them duty. A part of them duty.
When me a gone now, we just spend my fear of them carry home no evening.
Yeah, in every school picnic no ramp to come out in a police vehicle at evening time from school, you know. And
yeah.
regularly you see how much in a them police car out, you know. Yeah man, police car them home man.
Yeah. Police vehicle and some
Then if you depend the road one of the DR you end up all at Kingston and night catch you at Kingston and you can't get no vehicle if you come home. If it is place for you go stay in a nice station, you know. You tell police you Portland you live and me not get no vehicle to go on tonight, so me a sleep with you now. Yeah, me a sleep with you tonight. Yeah, me turn police or prisoner tonight, we don't know, you know. So me just come here, come hold the block with the police them tonight till the morning. You go take bus guy your yard. I see if this place for you stay, man. See if this place for you stay when you're out there, you know. So then thing there, as a law officer, peace and abiding officer in your country, and them take care of certain things, man. And it's not just for policing alone, you know. It's for serve and protect.
Yeah.
Serve and protect. And it mean in a everywhere to protect you in every way. It's not only to protect you from someone don't stab you or someone don't kill you or someone don't hurt you. It mean that to serve and protect you in any way. You come from Kingston and your vehicle broke down a road and there is a policeman coming, them can take up your things them and put in a for them vehicle and take you home, you know. And sit with your vehicle alright until you can reach back to your vehicle tomorrow or sometime again, you know. A police work same way, you know me I say? Yeah man, police do all of them things there for people, man. You have good police out there, you know. And if you are traveling, you see them and you stop them on the way, them are somebody who supposed to come and see your problem where you have.
You have good policeman.
And them you fi call and ask for assist you. Cause me in some difficult and me need some assistance. You know? Remember the vehicle them where the police drive a few way, you know? A few way vehicle too, you know? So if me I go Kingston and my vehicle broke down and me see police vehicle, now them fi finish my journey with me. And them fi take me to Kingston, you know? Or help me out in some way, you know? Then my vehicle no fault it, brother. So a people buy them vehicle, you know. A taxpayer money buy police vehicle and then something there, you know. Fire truck, all of them, ambulance, everything, you know. So if you dip on the road and meet any government vehicle, so long as a government vehicle, garbage truck, anything, and you're in any problem, them assist you, man. Them assist you with a ride, man. Yeah, man. Assist you with a ride, make you reach your destiny, you know. So I just didn't think they happen to all the while to people when you're out there. You don't know when you're going to end up in a one something. Because things are going to always happen. And you never know the day when it's going to be for your day, for you reach in a situation where you're going to want a little help from somebody. So you have to go get help. You have to ask for help. Just like when the policeman then did see Trenton go run a rocket car with the load pan him back. And that's why they stop the helping, you know. Because they find say this a man you're not supposed to have pulled so much weight. Him not dead, I don't believe him dead. He's still alive, man. We are doing that. We are being so. We are being so. Come. So Roddy go beat you. Roddy go and beat you. Roddy go and beat Daddy.
What? Where are
Roddy go and beat you.
Stop it. Hey, sir.
Grandpa act. Leave Grandpa act.
Yo.
Look, Roddy. So Roddy talk to you. Roddy talk to you. Drop? Yes, you will drop. Baby, drop. Yeah. Baby, drop. Yeah, baby, we drop.
Man, trim.
Baby, drop.
That man don't trim.
Yeah, one.
No,
You're not take off me out.
How when that man at 2, you have to make it grow and make
As
it
soon
flat.
as you start chatting, man.
Nah, man, you have to
It's
grow
a
and
clip
flat.
proper.
You see what
Because it's
Yeah.
How what do you shadow? Check out that.
Take off sleep badge.
You set up that one, let that one. You see
not
the
hold.
face, yeah.
Who you left me at, man? Who you left your bad boy? Yeah, your bad boy.
Get bad luck.
What?
That not here.
Yeah. Drop.
That's
Drop.
right,
Baby,
that
drop.
A brush go man. And it
Leave
go.
them there. You see too much something interfere with. Leave them. Go to Gamma. Gana Gamma.
Hi, Roddy. Hi.
Yeah, man. I see you, man. You know, Brooks and the family out in the weather, you know, but the weather hot. We are feeling Christmas breeze at Jamaica now, you know. When you're there at Jamaica, then time of year, and you are feeling breeze, you tell yourself, yeah, Christmas breeze, yeah.
Fairy breeze.
Yeah, Christmas breeze, this, you know. Them time of year now,
Left.
you feel say
Yeah, you
Christmas
ready
a
to
come.
talk to you?
You feel say Christmas a come, you know.
Me
Yeah.
I'm not beat him yet.
You feel say Christmas a come, so I just that happen, you know. We in the Christmas fever, we are feeling it, and we are